Welcome to Web3 Page channel. Do well to like, share and subscribe. How to do Xenea testnet. Xenea is running a testnet before they go for their TGE, so because of their mainnet, so they want to run a testnet. And how to do that is very simple. All you have to do, open your Xenea app. So you unlock your Xenea app, then you click on your wallet. Click on your wallet address, which is here. So click here. Once you click there, you click on manage your address. Look at it down here. Click on manage your address. So you click on your address. Inside that box, click on it. You see this specific private key down here. This specific private key down here. So you click on that private key. So you click on this box to agree to the information above. So you click on continue to copy your private key. So let me copy mine. So after copying your private key, you head over to your I'm using OKS. So head over to your whether OKS or MetaMask or BitGet wallet, so any wallet you want to import your private key to it. So let me open my OKS. So inside my OKS, I'll be clicking here. So I'll be clicking here. Once I click there, I will click on this space written add wallet. Look at it down here, add wallet. So you click on add wallet. So you click on import wallet. Look at import wallet here. You click on select seed phrase or private key, which is the top one there. Click on seed phrase or private key. Click on OK. So you paste the private key you copied and click on confirm. So let me paste this. So after pasting it and clicking on confirm, you select EVM compatible network, which is the one up there. So you click there, here. So you click inside there. So you click on confirm. So you can see my wallet is ready, which is the one down. So I will select it. I will click on it. This is the last wallet down. So it's this one. So it's this one here. We just click on it. So this is the wallet right now. So the next thing to do is to add the network, the Xenea network. So to do that, to add Xenea network, all you have to do is you click here. Some wallet it will be here, but for me using OKS, so I'll be clicking here. Inside here, here. So I'll be clicking there. So once I click there, I will shift this thing this side. So you can see I'm holding it and shift this side. We click on custom network. So click on custom network. So you click on this specific add network. So now we are asking for network. What is the network name? So I'll be dropping these details, the network name, the arrow PC URL, the symbol, all these things. I'll be dropping it in our project group or in the comment section of this video. And to join our project group, the link will be in the comment section or in the description of this video. So you join our project group, there will be sharing informations and more new projects to join. And if you have any difficulty on any project, you DM that been through the group, your question will be answered. So in the group, we drop most projects that may not come to YouTube, and other information about those projects, TG and every other things will be dropping in the group. So do well to join us. So also like this video and share it for others. So let me get these things. So the network name, you can see the network name is Xenea whatever. So let me copy it. So let me enter the network name, then arrow PC URL. So the arrow PC URL, look at it here. So let me copy it to, let me just click on copy, cut or copy, whichever one. So I've copied it, I'm pasting it here. So the next thing is the chain ID. So what's the chain ID? This is the chain ID 1096. So I'm pasting it here. Okay, it's not clicking, so let me just leave it. It's supposed to come in automatically. Let me see if it will come in automatically. Okay, it has come in automatically. So the symbol, what is the symbol? The symbol is TXENE. So let me copy it. TXENE is the symbol. Let me paste it. So I'm done. The next thing is to click on confirm. Because the network has been added. Now I'm having 0 Xen test token. Now for me to get Xen test token, I have to join that Discord and claim it from the faucet. So before I do that, let me copy my wallet address. You copy your own wallet address. So all you have to do is just click here. Click here to copy the address, or better still, just click here to copy the address. So let me copy it. Now let's join the Discord. The Discord link will also drop in our group and the comment section. So this is the Discord link. So let me click on it to join that Discord. So I'm waiting for the invite pop-up to come up so that I can select it all. Okay, this is it. So I click on go to server because I'm already in there. I think I'm already in their server, but if you are not there, all you have to do, if you click on it to join their server, you verify, or you see something like welcome, this welcome here. So you will see this welcome here. So if you see something like this welcome, you click on that welcome. So you follow the instructions to click on verify. Once you are done verifying, you will now see the page like this. When you see the page like this, so you click on this place, this faucet. So you click on this faucet here. So once you click there, then the next thing to do, you click on this box to type message. So click on this box to type message. Click here to type message. So what are we typing? So click there, type something like, let me type faucets. So faucets slash, okay, it's not, that is pop-up I'm looking for, I'm not seeing those. So let me type fcu slash, it's not coming up. Let me search for slash, okay, it's not coming up. So let me see what people are typing. Think faucet slash, okay, let me type faucet slash, it's not coming up. Let me just type slash, let me see. Okay, let me slash faucet, let me see. Okay, slash faucets. The next thing, address. So the next thing I have to do, I have to enter the address. Remember that address I copied then. So if you didn't copy it, you go and copy yours. So the address you copy, which is that okay, the wallet we imported. Or you can still go to Xenea app and copy the same address. So you paste it here. So you send. You can see they say 10 Zen are heading to your wallet. So I will do this every once in 24 hours. As I've claimed now, not claim again. I'll come back by this time tomorrow to claim another one. So let's go and check whether it has arrived in our wallet. So let me refresh this. Not yet arrived. So but before that, let me also show you how to import it into your wallet in case you want to import here. So let me show you. So inside here now, you click on this place. So why we took this to OKS wallet or external wallet, because sometimes if you want to import here inside Xenea app, it will be having difficulties. But let me see if it's easy to do here. So you click here. So you click there. Once you click there, click on this add network. Click on add network. You click on custom network. You can see custom network beside. Click on it. So we're going to add custom name, which is the same thing we did before. So let me copy them. So I'll pause this video and fill all those so that this video will not be long. So I'm filling the box. Remember what I said before? I said that this chain ID should appear automatically. So should appear automatically, but if it didn't appear automatically, you enter it manually. So let me enter the symbol and the block explorer URL. So the symbol, so the block explorer URL. Now if you watch, the chain ID didn't enter automatically as it did on the previous one we did. So I have to go now and copy the chain ID. I copy the chain ID. So which is this one? I'll copy it. I will enter it. So I'm with, as you can see, it asks me to add. So let me click on add. So I click on confirm. You can see network added. So we click on switch network. Successful. So I'm now using Xenea. So let me see whether the 10 has arrived. Whether it has arrived. It has not yet arrived. So let me see, check inside my OKS and be sure. You can see it has not yet arrived. So okay, it has arrived because the 10 Xen have been sent. So how to do the testnet now? It's very simple. All you have to do, look for people that are doing these projects, these Xenea projects. Collect the address. Can collect from only one person. You can collect from many as you want. So you send the person, and the person will send to you. You can decide to send one Xen. Can decide to send 2 Xen. Can decide to send 0.1. Any amount at all. Just make sure you are transacting. You are sending to someone, and someone is sending to you. So that's how to run the testnet. That's all for now, nothing more. That's all for now. So let me see if what I did here is correct. Supposed to be having the same balance inside here, but okay. So in here, look at it. It's showing. Look at it here. 10 Xen. So look at it. This is it here. So it is showing here. So that's all for now. So all I have to do now, look for someone that is doing in this product. Go click on send. So if I click on send, I will click here. I get the person's address. I enter it here. I will now choose how many I want to send to the person. Like if I may choose 1, I'm having 10 already. I will choose 1 and send. I'll use OKS wallet to do it. So I just click on send. So I click here. Click on this TXENE 10. I will click on it. I will paste the person's address. For instance, let me copy this, my address here. Let me copy this address. For instance, so let me copy this address. So I'm clicking on the same wallet. Where is the wallet? This one. So I will click on send. I will click on the TXENE. I paste the address I copied. I will click on confirm. Then I choose any amount. Let me say 0.1. Click on confirm. Click on confirm. I will send. You can see the network fee is also on TXENE. So I've sent out 0.1. The same thing applicable if once you use here. So the same thing is applicable once you use. I will click on the TXENE. I will click on the Xenea. I will just click here. So I will click here. I'm waiting for this thing to load up. It wasn't loading up, so I have to off my data and on it back. So once I click the next now to do, I'll click on send. So I will click on send. So I enter the address. So the person's address, that address I copied. So I enter the amount I want to send. Let me send 0. Or let me send 1. So I click on next. So I slide this thing. You can see I will slide this thing to confirm. So I enter my password to confirm the transaction. So it's processing. I think the best thing to do is you just use this Xenea app to run it. Use Xenea app to run it. So everything you do here will be recorded on chain. So during their TGE, it will be parts. I think it will be part of their criteria because they are trying to test their network before running their TGE. So this will also count. It is processing, as you can see. Once it's done processing, it will be sent successfully. So that's all for now. That's how to run the testnet. So do well to like, share, and subscribe, and join our project group for more information and other things in regards to this project and other projects to come. So that's all for now. Remain blessed. So once it's done processing, it will be sent. That's all. Nothing else to do. So if you have any other question or other clarity, join our project group, DM the admin through the group, and your question will be answered. So that's all for now. Remain blessed.